Unsurprisingly, there are two aspects to how search engines find and rank your website: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. But in this video, we're going to focus on the two corresponding components of SEO. First one is on-site. This is where you ensure your site is full of keywords that is relevant to what your site's about, and that it's using these keywords properly, not just stuffing a bunch of keywords. So for example, if you sell sandals in California, you want to make sure the relevant keywords are on your site and that they're used in intent purposes. So you can't just stuff these keywords. It actually has to be a blurb regarding California sandals. So using keywords like sandals, California sandal beach, something like that. Meanwhile, the second component of SEO is called off-site SEO. This is where you work to create backlinks to your site that originate from other sources linked to your site. This can be created using articles, social media, blog posts, discussion boards, and so on. But keep in mind, the more influential and legitimate the website is, meaning the website that's linking to you, the more effect that backlink to your site is going to have on your search ranking. SEO is super important because it helps you move to the top of relevant search results. And since almost everyone relies heavily on search engines to find almost anything online, SEO is the most effective way to increase traffic and quality of traffic to your site. Good SEO takes time, so the sooner you start, the better the results, because you're looking at a long-term effect on this. To learn more about SEO and how to grow your business with SEO, visit cyrussin.com or feel free to give us a call. We have SEO specialists standing by to help you. As always, like and comment on this post and follow us to get the latest info tips.